Gusto mo bang kumita online pero hindi mo alam kung paano ito sisimulan? Or isa kang employee na humahanap ng paraan para makawala sa 8 to 5 na routine? O kaya naman naghahanap ka ng ways para kumita ng extra to sustain your needs and wants? Kung oo ang sagot mo, pakinggan mo to. Alam mo ba na Filipinos spend 4 to 6 hours daily on social media? Imagine that's 4 to 6 hours of your life daily na dumadaan at na-expose ka sa mga e-commerce platforms at tumitingin ka o namimili online. So what if I tell you that you can turn this 4 to 6 hours into a money-making machine? Kaya kung isa kang corporate slave at gusto ma-achieve ang financial breakthrough at the comfort of your home, this is for you. Kung talagang interesado kang simulan ng ganitong type of business, register now dahil katulad mo, marami din gustong maging successful at matutunan ng ganitong type of business. And for this bootcamp, very limited slots lang i-open namin because this will be a 2-day event para siguradong sulit at matutunan nyo ang mga dapat nyong matutunan. Take action right now bago pa maubos ang slots for this bootcamp.